So hello everyone, it's day 4 of me practicing English, and yesterday someone commented on my video that I should do something about these noises, but as I told you, I can't help it out because it's my lunch hour and I can't record in office. Obviously there are colleagues around, and at home, as I told you, I get very tired while going home, while reaching home. So it's not possible for me to record, or I can say like I don't have any option to record this video in these noises. So if you are watching, then please do cooperate, or else I can't do anything. So yeah, please help me with the topic. I don't have topics to speak. In morning I keep on searching like what do I speak today, and it break the flow of my work also. So it's little getting like tougher for me to speak daily on something. So yeah, if you can help me what I can do without any effort, so please do let me know. And yeah, today I'm gonna talk about on feminism. So it's a word which is mostly taken mistaken by everyone, that it is a word made for only girls, which is absolutely wrong. It's not about about a gender. It's giving equal right to every gender, may it be transgender, woman, a man, because like everyone deserve so yeah, everyone deserve equal opportunity, equal right, equal it's like everything they deserve equal, not like one cannot get a higher paycheck just because he is a male, and the other is getting less pay just because she is a woman. And feminism also means that one should live in a society where there is no threat of violence, um or anything. Like generally women face these things mostly, and women are told not to go outside at night and not to hang out after a certain time, like if it's getting night or after 8 9 you should be at home, and men are not told to do so just because they are men. So it's all about that. It's not about uh, gender. Like sometimes it's also like man keeps on hearing that oh, you are a man, you should not cry, you should be man up, be a man, you can't you can't cry like a girl. So these are all the things that feminism is all about. It gives equal right to a man or a woman or a whosoever. And generally what happens, girls in villages are not allowed to study. So it's it gives right, it's like it not gives right, but it is all about, it's a movement which seeks right for everyone who is not getting those rights or those fundamental rights which a person should get. And like girls in villages generally don't get right to study, where and like men's are not paid, not given off from work for paternal, um, for their child care, you can say. Or women are generally paid less as compared to boys. And so basically it's about there should not be a gender who is getting more benefit over another. And so yeah, as Priyanka Chopra said, it's about a cerebral opportunity. It's not about the um, physical power or something. Like a man cannot be a woman cannot be a man in terms of physical ability. So it's about cerebral opportunity a person should get. Be a man, be a woman, everyone should have equal rights. So it's all about a right. We study in books, and just as chapter closes, we are all into a society norms where we are taught from childhood that a male member of the family cannot do this work, a female person of the house cannot do that work. Generally in India, it's so bad. Like women are so privileged in some, I can't say some, in most of the things that they have to face daily in the life. If they are going to work, they have to work at home, and then they have to go office, work there, and then come back and then again work at home. But do men do? No, they don't. They get up, they get ready, and they go office, they earn there, and they just come back. And when they come back, they are served with water, with fruits, or dinner, whatever they want, on their bed, on their a single call. But not with the women. They are supposed to do work in the office and at home as well. So which is very bad. I don't think so it's right. And the feminism is all about this. Just as the man is earning, the woman is also earning the same. So they both should get equal right. And I think there should be enough like movement on this. It should be more uh, I can't say fundamental, but it should be taught so much that that a person or a child has like in his mind that okay, it's not like I'm a boy, I should not do this, I should do that with a girl. It's basically a it should be taught from childhood or from first class that there is no as such woman can't do that, woman can't do this. All person has their own ability, own things, and they should do by their own. Like no one should be there to judge you, to stop you, or to make decision for you just because of a gender. So it's all the point, and I think all I can say is that's it. I don't have actually points. I don't get points to speak. I have like little less knowledge to speak on. I I try to research, but I don't get time. Yeah, I'm so so. What should I do? This is all I know on feminism, and thank you for watching if you are watching. And I hope you had heard little less noise today, because I think so it's less noise as compared to previous days. And thanks for cooperating. Bye.